Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today we're going to be talking about shopping.io. And before we get into that, please may I remind you, go follow our Instagram and go like, comment and subscribe down below. Thank you.
Welcome to the Real Crypto Space. This is Hamza, and this is not financial advice. However, we're going to be going through a cryptocurrency that we are almost certain that it's going to be doing really well within this 2021 bull run. The reason why we chose shopping.io is that it is incorporating a new way of using cryptocurrencies. The current market cap is sitting at around $225 million, which is still a very small coin compared to these big coins like VeChain and Cardano. So this coin most likely can see at least a 10x within this bull run. So we could be sitting at around 2,300 on shopping.io, and that is very reasonable, seeing what this cryptocurrency is going to be doing. So currently, this coin can be purchased from KuCoin, and that's where I'd recommend buying this coin. It can be Uniswap if you want to go to the decentralized route or the 1inch exchange. However, KuCoin allows you for simple buying and selling procedures with very small fees. And obviously the confidence is high and it's always updated with a lot of volume.
So the really interesting thing that shopping.io does is that you can spend over 100 cryptocurrencies on your favorite websites such as Amazon, eBay, and Walmart, and soon AliExpress. But the main ones obviously Amazon, eBay, and Walmart. So there's different type of accounts that you can have. So you have the free one, which is what most people are going to use. So like you can do up to 20 orders a month, which is probably enough. I doubt anyone's going to be doing more than that. But if you are, then you can have the dynamic plan where you get discounts and get 40 orders a month with this one as well. So and you also get interest as you hold it as well. So the advanced one, you always get a 5% discount on all orders made on shopping.io, which is really good actually. So if I was going to select one, it'd be the advanced one. And you get the 50 orders a month, which is a lot. And then you have the pro one. This is 10% discount every single order you do. You get access to the VIP Telegram group and 100 orders a month. And then there'll be a business one, which I'm assuming is unlimited orders a month, but I'm not sure about that. Now I'm going to show you how you can actually pay with your crypto on Amazon or eBay or Walmart or any site you want. So what you do is you type your item in. So for example, let's say iPhone 12. So here it is on Amazon. If you want to get on Amazon, then if you want to get on eBay, you select eBay, and so forth with Walmart and AliExpress as well. So once you get to the checkout page, obviously fill out all your information, and then here is so you can pay using USDT, Dash, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. So this is really cool. Not seen this much, to be honest.
So we've seen this kind of stuff happen before, but shopping.io is incorporating new brands every single quarter. So currently we are going to be seeing Walmart being incorporated here, because even though shopping.io is an American cryptocurrency, but it will also allow for international shipping, and currently they allow free shipping to the United States. However, soon they'll be allowing Amazon Prime incorporated with shopping.io, and even though the current price of the coin is around $230 as of now, it is still a very cheap coin, and you need to look at the supply of the coin as well, since the supply is less than 1 million worth of shopping.io. And I can definitely see this hitting 4 figures in short-term time, within like a few months. So this is something that is going to be doing numbers, and I can't wait to get involved with this project, since it's honestly something that is changing the cryptocurrency world and making it for the better. And instead of staking your coins, you're getting discounts on purchases as well. And that's what many coins don't do. Many coins, you just can stake them for a percentage. While this coin, you can hold it, stake it, and also spend it with a discount as well. So it's something that is really amazing within this ecosystem. This is why it'll make crypto experience shopping even better. So you can obviously buy from Amazon, Walmart, and eBay with over 100 cryptocurrencies. So in my opinion, I really do think that this is something that can really be scalable.
So they've also got a club called SPI Clubs. So the SPI.club is used, it's intended for long-term staking only for those who are interested in our government's tokens, so GSPI. This staking system is a gamified staking system that gives you earnings based on movement inside and outside of the staking contract. So the SPI Finance is a staking system with no penalties aside from gas fees, which are used to interact with the platform if you're. Whereas SPI Club, it takes 10% of your original investment when you join, and then 10% when you leave. With SPI Finance, you do not have those penalties. It's just the gas fees. Um, and the SPI Finance is intended for both long-term and short-term staking, so it's good for both. And if you're interested in earning SPI or GSPI rewards.
So this coin started around the 1st of January, and it only started at around $2. And now look at the price; it's done over a 100x, which honestly I don't think that is going to end just there. I can see it going to around another 40x in my opinion. This coin is honestly a true gem, and I definitely think that it has got a lot to be going through as well. And as it gets incorporated into new markets, as it's only on KuCoin and Uniswap and 1inch, one of the major markets, and once it goes into Binance and Crypto.com and all these major markets, you'll definitely see a boost in price. And as the supply gets lower, as you can see, if you think of it as yearn tokens, as the supply gets lower, the price of the coin will go up. And the same thing will happen with shopping.io. So in my opinion, I can definitely give this coin a 9.5 out of 10. Even though I didn't give it a 10 out of 10, but this project that they're doing right now is definitely the future. And cryptocurrency payments will be used perfectly. As many people have cryptocurrency, and they'll definitely be using that to pay through Amazon, eBay, and potentially AliExpress as well. So this is why this coin is definitely a 9.5 out of 10.
So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you go down below, press like and subscribe, and press the bell so you're notified every time we upload a video. And please remember, go to our Instagram and press follow over there, where you can give video suggestions, coin suggestions, and all sorts. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.